I decided I'd pull a dark brown and build me a guitar cabinet. So I'm gonna put 4 guitars in the cabinet here. And then I got a Vox 80 plus right here, mounted here. And up here I got the power control and the volume control. So as y'all seen in the Back to the Future movie, when he goes like this and he blow me across the room, but it gets pretty loud. And I'm not even turned up. I'm on here. I'm halfway on this stuff, so I turn this back down some. I can master it. Let me take it up here. I don't play like Marty McFly, but I have built me a pretty cool little case. Got to clean the glass up and build my rack in it for my guitars. But after that, I'll be ready to go, and I'll have it where I can keep it over out of the way and lock it up. I got a key for that, lock it up. I'll put well, if I get something valuable, I'll put it in there. Best way I know to put it. If I get something valuable, I'll put it in there.